So today we have three more openings of jobs in Dubai. तो आज हम उनकी बात करेंगे. This is my website, and as I told you before that I used to post videos of multiple jobs on this website. So I have posted some jobs that are related to driver jobs in Dubai, and some jobs are also in. I have posted in my blog, the Chedi Al Bat hotel jobs and Al Fajr FM jobs. So ये दो organizations हैं. They are very big organizations, and they used to appoint employees with their on skill level. तो अगर आपके पास वो skills हैं and you think that you can compete, तो आपको इस पे लाजमी अप्लाई करना चाहिए, because they provide you work accommodation, work visa, work permit, like a good salary, you have insurance and other benefits. So I think these are one of the greatest opportunities that you should apply on as early as possible. So I have opened these jobs in the tab. These are driver jobs in Dubai. So आप इस जब when you come to this page, तो आपको इसकी डिटेल्स के बारे में अंदाज़ा होगा कि what are the requirements for the drivers. First of all, loader driver and heavy equipments. This job is for the heavy loaded vehicles, जिसमें आपका लाइसेंस का रिक्वायरमेंट्स UAE valid driving license that you should keep before applying for this job. तो ऐसे लोग जिनके पास दुबई का है ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है, एंड दे हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ मिनिमम 2 years, they can apply for this job, and this is one of the biggest opportunity for the drivers. So you will get a good salary, health insurance, career growth and opportunities. You must have updated CV, copy of the valid UAE driving license, passport copy, visa copy if you have, okay, and then Emirates ID copy if you have, and then recent passport size photograph. And when you if you want to apply for this, and you will send your updated CV with all these documents to this email address that is about to open. आपने इन इस email address पे you can email them, और ये contact number है, and you can contact them. Okay, the next opening of the job is Al Fajr FM jobs, and this is offering multiple positions to the employees that want to apply for work visa, because they are going to give you a work visa. So इसकी कंपनी का नाम है अल फजर फैसिलिटीज़ मैनेजमेंट FM, and job location is Dubai. Facilities management इनका काम है. Qualification, you must have a degree or diploma or equivalent in the relevant field. Experience is mandatory. Salary, attractive salary package and benefits हो गया. And this is the posted job I have applied. Posted it on tomorrow, yesterday. Okay, why work at Al Fajr FM? So ये आपने पढ़ लेना है before applying to this job. You must know about your organization where you are going to apply. And employee benefits, Al Fajr FM values its employees and ensure a supportive work environment in compliance with the UAE labor laws. So I would just want to tell you that UAE labor laws are they are offering one of the best opportunities to the employees, to their labor that they used to hire. तो उनको हर तरह का बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड करना UAE लेबर लॉज में एडेड है. एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीज़ा है, पेड एनुअल वीज़ा, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, टैक्स फ्री सैलरी होगी. कंपनी प्रोवाइड अकोमोडेशन और हाउसिंग अलाउंस एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटीज़, ट्रैवल टिकट्स, end of the service benefits, gratuity. They also give you a gratuity. So this is also a very big organization, and this is offering a huge benefits to their employees. So the opportunities that are open, that is chiller technician and AC technician, plumber, electricians. So if you want to apply for this job, to apply for this job you have to attend the interviews from tomorrow. They are open to the interviews, and you can directly go to this location and you can give your interview during these timings from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. according to the UAE times. Prepare an updated resume. Before going to this, you have to prepare yourself and submit your resume directly to the HR department via email. You can email them your CV and wait for the shortlisting. Okay? They'll tell you, because when you go to the to apply for this job, or even when you go to the interview, direct interview, then you can ask them for where to post your email. your CV through email. Okay, start your career with Al Fajr FM facilities management today, and this is something that you will read before applying or before going to this job, because when you go to this job, they are going to ask you the question why you have choose our organization. So you must know about the organization before applying there and before going to the interview. Okay, the next job is about the Al Shadi Al Bayt hotel carrier jobs in UAE. They are also applying you the similar opportunities that जो कि UAE की organizations, जो big organizations होती हैं, that used to offer to the employees before hiring them. Visa, free accommodation, salary, insurance, etc. The Shadi Al Bayt hotel carriers. Okay, this is the introduction of this hotel, and why you have chosen to career. You will read here that there are the cultural diversity, comprehensive employee benefit, competitive salary perks, and career growth and training. So luxurious work environment. As you know that UAE is famous, or UAE किस लिए मशहूर है, that provides a good environment for the working people. Okay, when you want to apply for this, you must know what are the job openings available and where they are, and these are the housekeeping attendant jobs in Sharjah, waitress jobs, and general technicians in Sharjah. So if you want to apply, you will email them your CV to this email address, and you must have an updated CV, because if you have any sort of experience about housekeeping attendant, waitress, or general technician, you have to demonstrate your experience in your CV. So it is very important before applying for this job that you must have a good CV resume. So if you want to know how to make a resume, then you can find it on my website, that is joblinkers.com, and I have posted the link in the description below. You can see. So you have an updated CV, even write a compelling cover letter. So in your cover letter, you will tell them that why you are a suitable candidate and how you can be a very good employee for this organization, and then submit your application along with your cover letter and resume, and wait for the response for the shortlisting. Okay, current job openings in Al Jadi: room attendant, waitress, and general technician. So these are the benefits that they offer you: visa sponsorship, health insurance, accommodation and transportation, annual leave, and airfare. So if you are in your home country, they are going to pay, if you get selected, they are going to pay you the airfare also. Okay, end of the service benefits आपको वो भी मिलेंगे, and these are the frequently asked questions. If you want to apply and if you are a suitable candidate, you think, then you must know that you must have some question in your mind, and you can read them here before applying for these positions. So start your journey with this organization. So ये 3 jobs that I wanted to discuss with you about: the driver's jobs and Al Fajr facilities management, and this Al Shadi Al Bayt hotel careers. So hope you like the video, and if you want to know more about the openings of the jobs in UAE market, then you can come to my website, that is joblinkers.com, and if you want to make how to make a very impressive CV, then you can also join me on my website, and you can know what are the famous templates and how to make your CV. And if you want to take our services to make CV, and you want to join us, then the WhatsApp number is also given in the description below, and you can also find my WhatsApp number on this website, and that is this. Okay, and you can also email them if you have any sort of question, query. You can also comment in the description, in the comment section. So hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and Allah Hafiz.